The Realme C75, ready for a swim? This phone is not just about sleek looks and budget-friendly pricing, it's about pushing boundaries and testing limits. Alright everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really exciting lined up for you. It's your tech guy, MKBHD, back with another exciting test. We're diving deep into the capabilities of the Realme C75. Today we're pushing the limits with the Realme C75. This phone promises a lot, but can it deliver when it comes to water resistance? This budget-friendly phone is looking pretty sleek, but can it handle the pressure? We're not just talking about everyday use, we're talking about real-world challenges. We're about to find out. We've set up a series of tests to see if this phone can truly stand up to its claims. No, not that kind of pressure. I'm talking about water. Yes, we're going to see if the Realme C75 can survive being submerged and splashed. We're putting the Realme C75 through the ultimate water resistance test. This isn't just a light sprinkle, we're going all in. Will it survive a splash? How about a full-on faucet blast? These are the questions we aim to answer. Can it handle a dunk? We're going to submerge it completely and see if it still works perfectly afterward. Let's dive in and find out. Stay tuned as we put the Realme C75 through its paces and see if it can truly claim to be water resistant. Before we get our hands wet, let's talk specs. The Realme C75 is a device that promises a lot on paper, but how does it hold up in real-world scenarios? Let's dive into the details. The Realme C75 boasts a 6.5-inch display, which is perfect for watching videos, playing games, or just browsing the web. The screen is vibrant and offers a good resolution, making your viewing experience quite enjoyable. Under the hood, it packs a MediaTek Helio G96 processor. This means you can expect smooth performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps. It's designed to handle most tasks you throw at it with ease. And let's not forget the massive 5,000 mAh battery. This ensures that you can go through your day without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just chatting, this battery has got you covered. It's got a sleek design and feels good in the hand. The build quality is impressive for its price range, giving you a premium feel without breaking the bank. But here's the catch. Realme doesn't make any official claims about water resistance for this phone. This is a bit of a letdown, especially if you're someone who tends to be around water a lot. That's right, no IP rating to be found. This means there's no official guarantee that the phone can withstand splashes, spills, or even a bit of rain. So we're going in blind, folks. We're about to test the Realme C75's durability against water without any official backing. It's a risky move, but someone's got to do it. This is where things get interesting. Will the C75 survive a dunk in water, or will it meet an untimely demise? We're about to find out. Can the C75 handle a little H2O without an official seal of approval? Let's find out. Stay tuned as we put this phone to the ultimate test. First up, the splash test. This simulates everyday accidents like spills and rain. We're talking a few splashes of water, nothing too crazy. We want to see if the C75 can handle a little drizzle. And the results? So far so good. The phone is still kicking. The touchscreen is responsive and the speakers sound clear. No complaints here. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The real test is up next. Alright folks, time for the ultimate test. Full submersion. We're taking the C75 for a swim. We're going to submerge it in a bowl of water for 1 minute. This is where things get real. 1 minute underwater can feel like a lifetime. The suspense is real and time's up. Let's pull it out and see if it survived. The moment of truth has arrived. After subjecting the Realme C75 to a rigorous water test, we carefully dry off the phone with a towel, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. This is a crucial step because any remaining moisture could potentially damage the internal components. Once we're confident that the phone is as dry as possible, we proceed to power it on. And it works! The Realme C75 survived the ultimate water test. The screen lights up and everything seems to be functioning normally. This is a huge relief and a testament to the phone's build quality. The display is bright and responsive, the camera still snaps clear pictures, and the speakers are bumping with no distortion. It's almost as if the phone never encountered water at all. Now, before you go dunking your own C75 in the pool, remember this. We got lucky. Not every phone will survive such an ordeal, and it's important to be cautious. This phone isn't officially water resistant and doesn't have an IP rating, which means it hasn't been certified to withstand water or dust exposure. This test was just for fun, and your mileage may vary. Different units may have different tolerances, and repeated exposure to water can cause long-term damage. Always check for an official IP rating before taking your phone for a swim. An IP67 or IP68 rating is what you should look for if you want a phone that can handle water exposure. And remember, with phones, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Take care of your devices, and they'll take care of you. Peace out.